We'll guide you through how to record gaming videos. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you want to go and record this for YouTube, for another social platform, or maybe just for yourself. And maybe you want to go and do this with friends or just by yourself as well. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. So the application we're going to be using is called OBS, known as Open Broadcast Software. This is the full guide on how you can record game videos with it and the best settings you can go and use for it. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure you don't skip anything as you may go and miss something important. But we're guiding you through the full process to then going and finding the video, and you can do what you want to with the file. So to go and get started with this, let's come out of the game for now. So what you can do is open up a browser. I use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. You can then go and type in OBS or Open Broadcaster Software. You can come to the site. Here you can then go and choose Windows or whatever platform you're using. In this case, the download has been blocked. So let's go and click on it in the top right, and we'll press download unverified file. And now it's going and downloading. Just go and wait. This app is free, it's really great, and it's open source as well. And it's really efficient and just great a recorder overall. It's now finished downloading. So what you can then do is go and open up your file explorer. You can go and press downloads to the left. You can then go and find it, and you can double click on it and go and run it. Install it like any other application. It's really straightforward. Then what you can do is you can go and open it up. I already have it installed. When you go and open it up for the first time, it is going to run you through some key settings. You'll go and get the auto configuration wizard. So what you can do is go and optimize it just for recording. If you've already got it, don't worry. We're still going to guide you through the settings. So you don't have to be installing it for the first time. We can press next. You can go and choose the base canvas resolution. I like to go and set this as high as possible. FPS set as 60 to make it nice and smooth, and press next. And you can see these here, and we'll press apply settings. As I said, if you already have OBS, don't worry. We're still going to guide you through the key settings. So what you need to do is go and head to the bottom right in OBS and press settings. Go over to the left and choose output. And at the top where output mode is, go and select simple. And you want to come into recording. You then go and find recording path, press browse to the right. And what you can then do is your file explorer will open up. You can go and choose you want to go and save it. At the moment, by default, it will just be videos, which I find easy to find. So I'll keep that there. For recording quality, you can go and set it to high quality, medium file size. Then you've got recording format. I like to use MP4. I find that to be the most compatible. For the video encoder, I like to go and use hardware if you've got it. So I've got NVENC. That's because I've got an NVIDIA graphics card. You may have this or you may not, but if you do, select it. Otherwise, software X264 is going to go and be fine. Then you can press apply in the bottom right. Go to the left and you can go and choose audio. And you can then go to desktop audio, and you can go and choose the sound output. So this is then going to go and capture that. So you can go and have the game sounds. So I can have my speakers here. Then for the mic, you can go and make sure you choose the right mic. So in this case, I'll use the Shure mic. And then what you can do is you can go and press apply in the bottom right. Next, you can come to the left and choose video. So at the moment, we set it to the base canvas to high as possible. We'll do that again. The output scale resolution, I like to record in 1080p just so it's then ready to go and easily use. You could have it high if you want to, but 1080p is going to be fine. Now for the FPS, I do like to go and use 60 just to go make it smoother. Now, if you go and find it gets laggy, you can try decreasing the FPS, and you can also go and try reducing the resolution to perhaps 720p. Isn't ideal, but try and use 1080p as it is going to go and keep it nice and clear and in a good quality. Next, you can go to the left and you can find hotkeys, and you can come to start and stop recording. It's useful to have a hotkey set here so you can easily go and start the recording and stop it when needed. You don't have to go and return to OBS. So we can go into start recording and go and press a key. For example, I want F10, and I like to go and set the same key for stop recording as well. So we've now got that set there, and you can then go and press apply in the bottom right, and that's it. So now you can go and press OK. So those are the settings have now been set up. Next, you want to come into sources, and you want to go and press the plus at the bottom, and you want to go and find display capture. You can go and use game capture, but personally, I prefer display capture as it just captures what we need, our entire screen. Yeah, I just find it personally preferred, but you could try testing the game capture. With that, it'll go and capture any full screen window. So if a game is full screen, it should capture it, but display capture does the same thing, which is why I just use it. So you can then go and press OK, and this pops up. You can come to display and choose the monitor. I've got multiple here and I use the primary one, but you only have one there. Then press OK and there it is. The screen is now there. Now, just a bit more information about the audio mixer. You can got these bars here. What I recommend we do is we go and do a test recording, just so we can go and make sure the audio is mixed correctly. You may go and find the desktop audio is too loud. So what this means is that when you're recording and there's game sounds and you're speaking, your mic gets drowned out by the desktop audio and the game sound. So what we can do is a test recording, and if we find that it's too loud, you can come back here and go and reduce it by clicking, holding and dragging, like so. Of course, if your mic's too loud, you can go and do the same thing, reduce that. Now we're ready to go and get into a game. So what you can do is we could go and open up Minecraft in this case. Now to go and start recording, you can go and press the hotkey you went and set, or you can go in OBS and you can press start recording. I'm going to go and use the hotkey. You can go and see the OBS then has a red icon on it. Of course, it's full screen, you can't see this, which is why I kind of like it in windowed mode, just so I can make sure we are definitely recording. And of course, you can go and call some game sound as well, just to go and make sure we can then go and test out if it's going to be drowned out. And then when you're ready, we can go and stop the recording. So I'm going to go and press the hotkey again, or you can go and return and go and press stop in OBS, and it'll then go and say recording saved, and we can go and find it. So I can open up my file explorer. In this case, for me, it's saved in videos. I can find videos to the left or press home, then find videos. Then we can go and scroll down and you can go and find the recording just here. And then you can open it up and play it back, and you can go and hear how the audio is mixed, if it's too loud, etc. And we can come back to OBS and we can go and use the mixer to adjust it to our liking. But that's it. You then got that recording file, and you can go and do what you want to with it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I hope you found this useful and you managed to go and record your gaming videos.